Hi, welcome. My name is Nacola. If you're new here, this channel is for people who is affected by depression, anxiety, single parenting, child abuse, and other issues affecting humanity.
Seeking inspiration, needing motivation, Nacola is the one. Sharing tips to cope, bringing joy and hope. Nacola for battles won. Nacola is the one.
Hi, my name is Nacola. I work as an analyst and I am a survivor of depression. I created this channel to connect with others and to give information that may help you along your journey, as well as I share inspiring and motivating videos that may lift your soul a little bit higher than you are right now. If those things interest you, please subscribe and click the bell to get all my videos. Comment "I'm a survivor" below to introduce yourself. I'd like to know who you are. We have all experienced sadness, but usually our sadness always fades over time and gets better. But what happens when the sadness lingers? Depression goes beyond normal sadness. It can become an all-encompassing disorder. There are many types of depression, but the most common one is known as major depressive disorder. According to the DSM-V, Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, to have major depressive disorder, you must have 5 of the criteria outlined in the DSM-V. And at least one of the symptoms must be depressive episodes. But what other signs are there of depression? How do you spot if someone around you is suffering from this disorder? Here I am going to share with you 7 signs of depression. Number 1 is neglecting friends and hobbies. Another frustrating symptoms of depression is something known as anhedonia. This means a loss of pleasure from activities that would usually be fun. This means neglecting activities with people that would usually be fun, as it no longer gives the person with depression that feeling of happiness. According to psychologists, this is the most common symptom of depression. So if you see your friend like this, you know that they're suffering from depression. Number 2, changes in sleep pattern. Our sleep patterns is extremely important for our mental health. More often than you know, our changes in sleep pattern is a sign that will let us know that we are suffering mentally. This is an issue as irregular sleep pattern makes depression worse. Depression can cause insomnia, sleeping too little, or hypersomnia, sleeping too much. These changes in sleep pattern tend to result in a decrease in overall energy. Number 3, change in appetite. Another thing that depression can influence, it changes the way we eat. Some people with depression find their appetite is much lower, feeling unable to eat. Conversely, some people with depression have an increased appetite and may turn to food to comfort eat. Usually, self-esteem is majorly affected by depression. Depression can cause you to only see the negative things about yourself and downplay your achievements, causing you to feel that you are not worthy enough, you are not good enough, and you don't have a right to be around. Studies have shown that having low self-esteem as an adolescent is a risk factor to having depression when you're an adult. If you feel that there's nothing really positive about you, or you have friends that normally put themselves down, this could be due to depression. Number 5, decrease in hygiene. One way the lack of energy from depression can manifest is a decrease in hygiene. Sometimes the people suffering from depression often struggles with the ability to take a shower, clean their teeth, or other self-grooming habits that we take for granted. This is due to their fatigue and lack of motivation to complete tasks. So if family members are looking less groomed and clean, then this could be due to a depressive disorder. Number 6 is irritability. If you ever find that everyone and everything is getting on your nerves at this time, it could be due to depression. Irritability is one of the symptoms of depression. When you feel so negative about everything, it can make little things feel rather incredibly annoying. 7. Flat emotions. There's a misconception that depression is all about feeling sad all the time. I'm going to say this slowly. This, however, is not the case, and one other symptoms of depression is known as flat mood. This is where a person's mood is dull. You'll often hear people say they are numb or they can't feel any emotions, they can't feel anything. They don't feel sad, but they also don't feel happy either. If this feeling is what you're experiencing at this moment, you may want to seek help because this could be depression. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so very much for watching and documenting all the necessary steps to know if you are suffering from depression. I appreciate you and thank you, and please visit my channel again. Click this video on the screen right now that will give you information on how I overcame depression. And there is another one here on the screen that you can also watch for more information. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please come again, and remember that you are important and you are worthy and amazing. Take very good care.